I'll always remember her being told by the consultant to get my family to come to the hospital really quickly, because her confidence in me surviving that night wasn't great. 5 years ago, in 2014, I was a really healthy 27-year-old in my 12th year in the ambulance service, working frontline. Thought I didn't need to have the flu jab. That autumn, I developed what I thought was man flu. That got progressively worse over the course of a week, to the point where I ended up in majors, in ED, being assessed by the consultant with really significantly depressed respirations, lowered levels of consciousness. From there, I ended up in intensive care in the Royal Gwent, and I was there for a number of weeks. I had many months off of work and 9 months off of frontline duties. The flu made a massive impact on my life in a way that I can't begin to explain, both in terms of my physical health, my mental health, my well-being. I wasn't able to do the things I was able to do. As simple as walk up a flight of stairs was really difficult for about 5 months. But worst of all, I gave it to my partner, and in passing on the flu, the impact I saw that have on her and others was huge and can't ever be underestimated. So whilst the decision of mine to not have the jab really cost me, it also cost others around me. Even if you think you're indestructible, watching that kind of illness fall on somebody that you love and you're really close to, it's heartbreaking and not something I'm sure we'd ever wish to put our family and loved ones in a position of.